Hello, my name is Sinead and I'm the teacher in the Kildare Steiner School kindergarten. You're very welcome to our kindergarten today. The aim of a Steiner kindergarten is to create a home environment where the young child is free to participate in all the day's activities, perhaps baking, sweeping, or preparing food for the next day. Routine and rhythm are the cornerstone of a Steiner kindergarten. This develops a strong physical body in the child and provides the young child with a sense of security and leads to good mental health as an adult. All of our food is organic and mostly plant-based. We eat rice, wheat, vegetables and fruit, millet and oats. Just like home, the children are involved in the preparation and cleaning up after we eat. Each child washes her own bowl, cup and spoon. All of our toys are from nature and made from natural materials. This helps the child to learn about the natural world around them. Our greatest toys are water and mud when we're playing outside. The Steiner kindergarten is 4 hours every day. We spend most of that time outside, even during the winter. There is no such thing as inappropriate weather, just inappropriate clothing, and we are outside even when it is raining. We spend at least 2 of the 4 hours outside in the winter, and in the summer we spend as much of the day as we can. Lessons are brought to the children with creative flair by class and subject teachers. By working artistically through the image, building confidence with positive affirmation, and by providing an atmosphere of calm and reverence, the children find their own inner strength and willingly work hard to exercise their capacities.
My name's Rob Ellis. I work at Kildare Steiner School. We have a beautiful outdoor curriculum space here we've been developing over the past year. So the outdoor curriculum program here helps children and gives them the opportunity to develop technical skills in a wide range of practical outdoor applications. We have a polytunnel for horticulture. We have a green woodworking space. We're doing a building project also at the moment. We have woodland for woodland management skills, lots of other woodworking and practical applications. The children focus a lot on developing outward-looking technical skills, which in turn help them to gain confidence, inward transferable skills such as self-confidence, social skills, team building. That all comes into play in the outdoor curriculum program. The work we do is very embedded in nature, so we use a lot of natural materials, the living materials and the quality of those materials, which offers the richness of experience for the children, which they can then take back into the classroom and bring into their academic learning also.
In September 2019, the Kildare Steiner School extended the age range of its pupils. This is the equivalent to secondary school in mainstream education. The aim is to provide a broad curriculum in a small class setting for the young adolescents. By maintaining individual attention and working on independent study skills, we give the children a full, holistic preparation for further learning, like the Leaving Certificate, or for employment if they so choose. We see what we provide here as a gentle transition at a time when the children are still young and impressionable. Here they have time to find their own strengths and skills and develop them to forge their own paths.